K-Link Hydrogen Water Generator Mini. Secret to a long, healthy, happy life. Life and time share an intrinsic relationship. Life deteriorates due to time. Stop this deterioration and you have eternal life. Today, science is revealing amazing insights into the magic which we call human life. It is not possible to stop or reverse deterioration in human life, but it is certainly possible to slow down the effect of time and protect human cells and DNA from oxidative stress, thus extending human life. Organic antioxidants, diets, and natural medicines do work. However, the human body is about 70% water. So, the best solution is the one which focuses on water. K-Link Hydrogen Water Generator Mini. Antioxidant power of 1.5 liters of hydrogen water is equivalent to 756 bananas or 516 apples or 36 carrots. Hydrogen water neutralizes the free radicals, which are the primary cause of aging, thereby slowing down DNA damage and aging. Unlike other antioxidants, hydrogen water targets only bad reactive oxygen species and neutralizes harmful free radicals. Hydrogen is the smallest molecule, much smaller than all other antioxidants. Hydrogen gas from our hydrogen water penetrates the intracellular level, where other antioxidants usually do not reach. Hydrogen can also penetrate the blood-brain barrier and thus target the free radicals in the brain region. Hydrogen water neutralizes the effects of pollution, radiation, chemical damage, and stress. Hydrogen water helps prevent most diseases, including lifestyle diseases of today. Besides slowing aging, improving overall health and immunity, hydrogen water has a wide range of health benefits. K-Link Hydrogen Water Generator Mini generates hydrogen water, a high-power antioxidant, which has a highly negative oxidation reduction potential, ORP, reading between -200 to -500 and is a high-power antioxidant. K-Link Hydrogen Water Generator Mini is made in South Korea with advanced technology using platinum-coated titanium plates. K-Link Hydrogen Water Generator Mini generates highly concentrated hydrogen water with 800 to 1200 ppb in 8 minutes. K-Link Hydrogen Water Generator Mini uses the electrolysis method with DuPont Proton Exchange Membrane, PEM, which ensures that the purest of hydrogen gas is produced. K-Link Hydrogen Water Generator Mini has won many awards and citations. A portable device, easy to carry everywhere. Get your K-Link Hydrogen Water Generator Mini today and start a new chapter in your longer, healthier and happier life. Healthier water for a healthier life.